Big political developments today happening across the country, and the big story, of course, is now with protests by the opposition and several farmer organizations against the recent amendments in the Land Acquisition Act by the centre via an ordinance. The BJP has started a rethink. Senior BJP leaders met last evening to explore the possibility of modifications to the land ordinance. The BJP leaders included Home Minister Rajnath Singh, External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj and Rural Development Minister as well, who met activists of the Bharatiya Kisan Union, the BJP's front organization for farmers. And sources have said that the BJP is worried about an anti-farmer attack but is averse to withdrawing the ordinance fully, fearing it will send a negative reform signal. But what they may look at is modifying the bill to accommodate farmer-friendly clauses.
आज हमने खुद गृह मंत्री जी से कहा कि जो किसानों के मुद्दे हैं भूमि अधिग्रहण अध्यादेश से संबंधित, उनको इग्नोर किया गया है। किसानों की बात सुनी जानी चाहिए, किसानों की मर्जी से उनकी जमीन ली जानी चाहिए। हम विकास के विरोधी नहीं है। आखिर हम भी जानते हैं कि रोजगार अगर हमको लेना है अपने बच्चों के लिए तो उनको सड़कों पे घुमाने से काम नहीं चलेगा, भीख मंगवाने से काम नहीं चलेगा, खेती छोड़ने से काम नहीं चलेगा। लेकिन किसान से उसकी बात की जानी चाहिए, उसका हक समझना चाहिए।
Well, with farmers' protests growing against the Land Acquisition Act, all the indications are that the government now is considering some changes in the law, and this particularly to keep in mind the sentiments of the farmers. Today, in fact, senior BJP leaders and ministers in the government, Sushma Swaraj, Rajnath Singh, Birendra Singh, all met at Rajnath Singh's residence here in the capital to discuss the Land Acquisition Act and, of course, the growing opposition to it. Several farmers' associations also called on the ministers and presented their points of view. The farmers essentially unhappy with the withdrawal of several clauses, one of them being the consent clause by which at least 80% of farmers have to agree to give up their land for a project in certain cases. That's been withdrawn. Not just that, the fact that social impact assessment has been done away for these projects, that's something that the farmers are worried about. Not worried about being seen as anti-farmers. The government now planning a rethink. The government's also, sources telling us, will not withdraw the act altogether or the ordinance, but essentially tweak it. The language is being worked upon, and in fact the government wanting to make sure that this does not become a choking point for it with the budget session of Parliament now set to start on Monday. That's also the day when Anna Hazare, along with more than 5,000 farmers who are marching from Palwal, will be reaching the national capital in a show of force. Several farmers associations have also called for meetings on that particular day to try and build pressure as the opposition to the changes in the Land Acquisition Act build up both on the streets as well as in the Parliament, with both the Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party and various other opposition parties saying that they are not happy with the proposed changes and they are planning to go and protest against this. So the government now clearly planning to tweak the changes, take farmers into confidence and try and play around with the language and ensure that those provisions which are the most irksome to the farmers are dealt with, are taken care of.